Let me walk you through how Myelin simplifies the entire academic exam process, from exam creation to final report card generation. To begin with, the first step is to create the exam in the Myelin portal. This could be any type of assessment like a unit test, term exam, or annual exam. Schools can define the name of the exam, the applicable classes, and the subjects involved. Once the exam is created, Myelin automatically picks up the subject-wise teacher allocations based on the existing timetable or manual subject mapping. This ensures that only the assigned teachers can enter marks for their respective subjects, maintaining accuracy and control. Teachers can enter marks directly through the mobile app or the web portal, whichever is convenient. There is no need for manual calculations. Myelin takes care of everything: totals, averages, percentages, and grade conversions, based on the predefined rules set by the school. After marks are entered, teachers or class teachers can proceed to fill in subject-specific remarks, general student remarks, attendance details. The school format requires them. This allows for a more holistic and personalized report card. Once all data is entered, Myelin automatically generates the report card in the exact format provided by the school. This includes the school logo and header, student details, subject-wise marks and grades, remarks, overall result status, pass-fail, and designated signatures from the principal or class teacher, if required. After review and final approval by the admin or principal, the report cards can be downloaded or printed in PDF format. Schools can choose to distribute the report cards physically or digitally, as they are also visible to parents on the app. Myelin is fully adaptable to each school's specific format and workflow requirements. As you can see, Myelin's academic exam and report card feature provides a hassle-free, error-free, and time-saving experience for teachers, administrators, and parents, bringing the entire process into one smooth and efficient flow. Thank you. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the complete report card process in Myelin.